Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn the lesson and prepare for exams. So do visit our website for more information and more videos. Today we will see a video related to NCERT Solution for Class 9 Mathematics Chapter 11 Constructions, Exercise 11.1. So let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is, construct an angle of 90 degrees at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So the construction procedure, to construct an angle 90 degrees, follow the given steps. First we have to draw OA. Ray OA we will draw. Then we will take a point O as a center with any radius. Draw an arc. Now we will draw an arc DCB that cuts OA at B. Here. With B as a center with the same radius, mark a point C on arc DCB. So we have marked the point C on the arc DCB. Now with C as a center and same radius, mark a point D on the arc DCB. Now take C and D as the center, draw two arcs which intersect each other with the same radius at P. Finally, the ray OP is joined, which marks an angle 90 degrees with OP is formed. Next, to justify this, we have to prove angle POA equals to 90 degrees. In the order to prove this, draw dotted line from the point O to C and O to D. So we have drawn the line O to C and O to D. And the angles formed are. From the construction it is observed that OB, BC and OC, three of them, these are equal. Therefore OBC is an equilateral triangle. So that angle BOC is 60 degrees. Similarly, OD, DC and OC, therefore both three of these sides are equal. Therefore this DOC is also an equilateral triangle. So DOC is equals to 60 degrees. From SSS triangle congruency rule, triangle OBC congruence triangle OCD. So angle BOC equals to angle DOC by CPCT. Therefore angle COP equals to half angle DOC equals to half of 60 degrees, that is 30 degrees. To find the angle POA equals to 90 degrees, so POA equals to BOC plus COP. So 60 plus 30, that is 90. Hence it is justified. Next, construct an angle of 45 degrees at the initial point of a given ray and justify the construction. So first we have to take the ray OA. Take O as the center with any radius, draw an arc DCB. So DCB arc is drawn that cuts OA in at B. With B as the center with the same radius, mark a point C on arc DCB. So we have marked the point C. Now with the C as center and the same radius, mark the point D on angle on arc DCB. So we have marked the point D. Take C and D as the center, draw two arcs which intersect each other at P. Finally, the ray OP is joint which marks an angle 90 degree with OP is formed. Now take B and Q as a center. Draw the perpendicular bisector which intersect at the point R. Draw a line that joins the point OR. So the angle formed, ray angle ROA equals to 45 degree. Now we have to justify this. So from the construction, angle POA is 90 degree from the perpendicular bisector from the point P, B and Q, which divides the angle POA into two halves. So it becomes ray ROA equals to half of angle POA. So angle ROA equals to half of 90 degree, that is half of 90 is 45 degrees. So it is 45, hence it is justified. Next, construct the angles of the following measurements. So first we have to construct the angle of 30 degree. For the construction, first we will draw ray OA. We will take the point O as the center with any radius. Draw an arc BC which cuts OA at B. With B and C as the center, draw two arcs which intersect each other at the point E and the perpendicular bisector is drawn. Thus, angle EOA is the required angle making 30 degree with OA. Next, we have to make the angle of 22.5 degree. So, draw the angle of angle POA equals to 90 degree. Now, take OA as the center with any radius. Draw an arc BC which cuts OA at B and OP at Q. Now draw the bisector from the point B and Q where it intersects the point R such that it makes an angle ROA equals to 45 degree. Now again ROA is bisected such that angle TOA is formed which makes an angle of 22.5 degree with OA. Next, we have to construct the angle of 15 degree. So, an angle DOA is 60 degree is drawn. Take O as the center with any radius. Draw an arc BC which cuts OA at B and OD at C. Now, draw the bisector from the point B and C where it intersects at point E such that it makes an angle EOA equals to 30 degree. Again, angle EOA is bisected such that angle FOA is formed which makes an angle of 15 degree with OA. Thus, angle FOA is the required angle making 15 degree with OA. Next, construct the following angles and verify by measuring them by a protractor. So, 75 degree. Now, we have to construct 75 degrees. So, first we will construct procedure. Ray OA is drawn. With O as the center, draw an arc of any radius and intersect at the point B on the ray OA. With B as the center, draw an arc C and C as the center, draw an arc D. With D and C as the center, draw an arc that intersect at the point P. Now join OP. The point that arc intersect the ray OP is taken as Q. With Q and C as the center, draw an arc that intersect at the point R. Now join point OR. Thus angle AOE is the required angle making 75 degree with OA. Next, we have to construct the angle of 105 degree. So, we have to first draw the ray OA, then O as the center and draw an arc, any radius which intersect at B on OA. So, this is the arc drawn. Now, with B as a center, draw an arc. C and C as a center, draw an arc D. Now, DC as a center, draw an arc P which intersect at point P. Now join points OP. Now point that arc intersect the ray OP is taken as Q. Now with Q and D as the center, an arc that to intersect the point R. Join OR. Angle AOR is the required angle making 105 with OA. Next we have to draw 135 degree. So first we will draw a line AOA dash. Draw an arc of any radius that cuts the line AOA dash at the point B and B dash. With B as the center, draw an arc of same radius at the point C. With C as the center, draw an arc of same radius at point D. With D and C as the center, draw an arc that intersect at point P. Now join OP. The point that arc intersect the point ray OP is taken as Q and it forms an angle 90 degree. With B dash and Q as the center, draw an arc that intersect at the point R. Thus, angle AOR is the required angle making 135 degree with OA. Next, construct an quadrilateral triangle given its sides and justify the construction. Let us draw a line segment AB equals to 4 cm. With A and B as the center, draw two arcs on the line segment AB and note the point as D and E. With D and E as the center, draw the arcs that cuts the previous arc respectively that forms an angle of 60 degree each. Now draw the lines from A and B that are extended to meet each other at point C. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle. Now to justify this, justification is given. From construction it is observed that AB equals to 4 cm, angle A equals to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. We know that the sum of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Substitute the values. So we have two values A and B. We will substitute it. We will get the value C, that is 60 degree. While measuring the sides, we get BC and CA equals to 4 cm. Side opposite to equal angles are equal. So angle A, side AB equals to BC equals to CA equals to 4 cm. And all the angles are 60 degree. Hence it is justified and it is proved. So this was exercise 11.1 of NCERT solution for class 9th mathematics. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.